A cool feature with Tesla Vehicle now that you can use Sentry mode to live view your Sentry cameras. You can also speak to people that are near your vehicle. All you need to do is turn on Sentry mode from your phone app, turn on live view camera, and start looking around. Your voice that you speak through the mic will be encrypted as well. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Looking good.
Looking good.
Are you here to smash and grab?
Are you here to smash and grab?
So how this works is you have your autopilot cameras, 3 in the front, 1 on each fender, 1 on each B pillar, which is not working yet, and then your rear tailgate or trunk where the license plate is, you also have a camera. So all those can be accessed from your phone app, your Tesla phone app. You do have to have premium connectivity to be able to access it. In addition, if your car is equipped with the pedestrian notification warning system, whatever they call it, they have a speaker underneath the front frunk. So that's where you can play your boombox music, sound, horn, or whatnot. But that humming sound that you go in reverse, that's the speaker that it uses for you to be able to speak to wherever's around your vehicle. I think this is a great feature, one of the best upgrade to the Sentry mode in years. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.